Hello everyone, this is the Lås Padlock. It's a disc container lock from Sweden. It's a very big boy, but it's a pretty fun pick, and it's actually quite difficult. I'll again use this tool to rotate as far as I can clockwise, which on this is not always a given because of how the discs are shaped. It's worth noting, as we can see here, that the discs are rectangular with a notch cut out. So that notch can actually stop centering and actually means that this pick only goes one way. So we'll get in and we'll go, and we'll first start by making sure that every disc is as far clockwise as they will go. Which is always good practice in any disc container lock, just so you fight against less components. Which may or may not hinder your progress. So once you've done all of that, we'll find and see if any of this is binding. Obviously binding has less play than those that are not. Okay, well, we've set it out of that. We'll keep it there. Keep that out. Keep that in this. It's okay. So obviously a binding disc will have very little play, and those which are not binding will have a little more play. Among other things, they will often scratch if they're in false gates. So we'll see. Maybe not. Maybe. It's hard really to quantify actually what it feels like. It just kind of feels nasty if it's in a false gate. It's just something you get as an understanding for as you pick more disc container locks. It just kind of feels off. Oh, there we go. There we go. Nice. Feels good. Feels okay. Keep that there. Keep that there. Keep that there. I'm not too certain. There seems to be a lot of uncertainty. Ah, there we are. That's why. There's something at the back there. Yeah, I wasn't sure why I was so stuck, but I got there in the end. I guess checking at that back disc is probably a good habit to do. It's pretty tricky, as you saw. Feedback's a bit muted, but otherwise it's relatively straightforward. Anyway, that's just been the Uncle Lås Padlock. Have a lovely rest of your day.